First, the initialization part. I've already defined some variables here, count equals 1 and op equals 1. I have declared an empty list. Now we will make a function named core process, which will contain the core process of our program. Now before we write the real code, I want to explain something. Python does not allow you to change the value of a global variable inside a function. So this value of op cannot be changed until and unless you have declared a global op here. If you do not do that, then you will get an error. Cap equals cv2.video capture. As the name suggests, video capture is a very basic function to capture video, while op equals 1. So I am using the value of op as a parameter to control my loop. Now when we apply the read function with video capture, it allows us to capture and perform operations on our image. The read functions provides us with two values, but we don't need the first value, so we are gonna discard this. The underscore here is nothing but just a variable. We only need our image. Now what we are going to do is, all we are trying to do is calculate and draw contours, draw hull and draw defects. For such trivial tasks, we do not need our complete image. So what we are going to do is, we are going to define a small region on our image where we are going to operate. So cv2.rectangle function is used to draw our rectangles on our image. In this case it is a square because the coordinates are 100, 100, 300 and 300. So the parameters are the image on which you have to draw the rectangle, the coordinates, the BGR values for the color of the rectangle, and the last parameter 0. It defines the thickness of the rectangle that is being drawn. cv2.imshow is a very basic function of Opencv which allows us to put images. Now we are going to crop our image so that the real operation only happens in these coordinates. In these coordinates, as you can see here, the image is being cropped according to these coordinates. Now before calculating contours, it is better to convert our image into a binary image. So we are going to convert our image and find out the edges so that it can be converted into a black and white image and only edges are detected. cv2.imshow again. So also k equals cv2.waitKey. Now waitKey is a time frame for which the image is displayed. This parameters is in milliseconds. If k equals 2 equals to 27.break, this is if we wanna stop the display of image using the escape key. So let's do a test run. It's cool. So here we can see that through the video capture and read function we can easily access our video frames, and also we have drawn a square on our image which will be the basic working and operating area. This right here is the binary image which we have made with the canny function, which we are going finding edges. So this is how it works. It is nothing but a black and white image which finds edges, only edges in the input image. See, nothing but edges. So this is it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I will also provide the link of Opencv documentation in the description. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me or just refer to the documentation. Thank you. Until next time.